again the learning is like that, that language which is used in the agreement is like very important, and we have to be very careful to interpret actually that. When signing also we have to think about what probable interpretations will be there of that particular sentence. So, here the scenario in short, it was like a that Mark, he worked in Stanford lab, he further done that particular development of HIV test. Then he was like that new PCR method, he was using that. So, what happened that supervisor has sent him that CITUS, as I have told you that laboratory, and then in that whole particular, although he has developed in Stanford, his particular agreement was saying that whatever development related to that invention will be there owned by Roche, and university Stanford was not aware about that probably, otherwise they could